Welcome back, YouTube, to Peterson Auto. I made a hole. Yeah, it's not a big hole, but I'm just trying to take a few inches off the top there. It turns out this wonderful new purchase is working well. So yeah, I got a backhoe. The front end loader. It's a 1956 Case 310 utility model. From the chassis being painted yellow, it was probably sold from the factory with the Henry backhoe and Henry loader on it. So I've been tinkering with it some. I'm going to pull the carb here in a little bit once I finish messing with it today. Rebuild that. Got to get a cutting edge for this thing. Big time. But the bucket will still scoop stuff up. I might even wind up replacing this whole bucket. It's questionable at best. But I can also weld it up, so you know, we'll figure that out. Clutch back down in there was stuck. Had to unfree that. That was just putting a block under the pedal, which you can see the pedal's down now. There's a block between it and the floorboard. So I was putting a block under the pedal, rotating the motor over and pushing and prying with the screwdriver. It's a twin disc clutch. Hard to find for these things, apparently. So, you know, that was the option versus waiting 6 to 8 weeks for a new clutch, etc., etc. I got this lovely comfy seat on here, and didn't come with any seat, so I put a seat on. And then we got the controls for the backhoe. So you can see they got, I don't know if you can read it. Crowd is your jib boom there, in and out. Bucket to curl. This lifts and lowers the whole backhoe assembly. There's a swing and an up and down on the boom. So that cylinder's shot. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for a replacement there. Still works. Oh, is it shot though? There's two hydraulic quick connects you can see behind the cylinder there. So 4 pins and 2 quick connects, and oh, backhoe can come off, which is nice actually. Really nice setup there. Still a lot of old farmer tricks like nails instead of cotter pins here. We'll mess with those at some point. Right now, making sure it works and making sure it's worth putting some more money into. So I already replaced some pins that, as you can see down there, brand new shiny pin wasn't even there. So, you know, stuff like that. A few leaks too. I already placed a couple hoses, like those 2 loader hoses up there. Those were shot. Steering's good. One of the wheel bearings is a little loose, but right now I really don't care because it's not going much or far. You know, my yard's kind of small. Previous owner went ahead and put a 12-volt battery in it and then a ballast resistor. I had the starter rebuilt down there. See a fancy new starter in there, kind of. Had that rebuilt for 12 volts. And now it's got the ballast resistor with a 6-volt coil. And new starter solenoid, new battery. So yeah, this valve here is leaky a little bit. I'm not even sure how to fix that yet. A little more Googling, I guess, will tell me. So maybe we'll have some hydraulic videos for you, but yeah. These 2 lines are brand new here. There's another new line back here. Oh, that one that's routed in a stupid location right here. It's just trying not to leak a whole bunch out. And I got to reroute it anyway because this hairpiece actually attaches up in this hole. But the threaded parts broke off. So a little pipe coupler and a bolt. Now make a new one of those and get that taken care of. This is like a flow control valve, how much pressure is going from the pump to the backhoe assembly. Kind of cool, neat feature. One of those, there you go, second valve cap in is leaking. You can see a little drip on the bottom. But, you know, other than that, good solid backhoe for the price I paid. Obviously it digs well. I could probably run a little more pressure on it and get even better digging, but that's loose dirt right there. So, loose stone. This stuff's actually pretty hard to dig through, believe it or not. It's really well compacted, years and years of compaction. You know, over there it's a little softer, but it's washed out. So, you know, I'm trying to fill in the washout area a little bit. And I'm going to take the backhoe, well, the loader part of it, back it up and scoop some of this up and bring it up to the top of the driveway here. So yeah, there's a quick little tidbit on the Case 310 utility model tractor with Henry loader and backhoe. I'm really liking this thing. It's going to probably be regrading my entire yard, so you'll probably see a lot more videos on it. Haven't really covered much because I wanted to get it running and make sure it was staying around. I have a tendency to start projects and never finish, as you can tell. Hence that 65 Mustang that I was never going to get to. So yeah, we'll give you a little how it's going to work here, and go from there. You know, just let you see me drive it around some and maybe dig up some more dirt with the backhoe. Little tinkering on the brakes, you'll probably notice me standing on them, but it all works out in the end. So enjoy a little backhoe fun. YouTube, that's all she wrote for now. Like I said, I got to rebuild the carb on it. And I have been running it for a while. So it's either A, out of gas, very highly possible, because the gas gauge don't work either. Or B, it's just because it's heating up and everything, the carb's not working right. Which I know the carb needs rebuilt. It is leaking like a sieve. So that being said, I think that's our tractor video today, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you liked. You know, 56 case 310 utility tractor, Henry loader and backhoe, 12 volt conversion. If there's enough interest, I'll go over what needs done for the 12 volt conversion to do it right. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.